Hello guys, today I'm going to start stack 1, that second level, so in a Protostar. So guys, this is same as stack 0. So this is the source code that is stack 1. So as you can see that char buffer is 64 and that modified value is 0x, 61, 62, 63 and 64. So guys, now I'm going to start this level stack 1. So this is same as stack 0 actually, so except this, instead of checking whether modified has been modified, the program check whether we have set it to be the hexa value of that this value in line number 18. So guys, I'm going to use Python for that, /stack1 $sign, and going to use Python /c and print cell a value multiply by using 64. Okay, now you need to press enter, try again. You got this memory value, so we need to try again. I'm going to multiply it using 65. Let's see how to do it. You need to again same method, same way, $sign Python -z and print a 65. Okay, press enter. This is 61. So we got 61. We need to get other values also, so I'm going to use directly the Python code to get this correct message. I'm not going to run one by one 62, 63 like that, likewise 65, 66. So I'm not going to run that. So we need to get this print value. You have to correctly got the variable to the right value. I'm going to do this one. So you need to run stack1 Python stack $sign Python -c. We need to print and same 64. In here we need to give we put that 64 a and then the 4 bytes corresponding with that memory address, like 0x, 61, 62, 63 and 64 in reverse. So modified, we need to modify it into that the modified needs to contain a b c d, but in reverse, like b c d c b a. So I'm going to give that value into d c b a in reverse. So guys, that's all. Press enter. We can get this value message. You have correctly got the variable to the right value. So guys, this is how to complete stack 1. So I hope this video is very useful and helpful. So please guys, subscribe my channel, comment and share. So thank you for watching this video. So thank you guys.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe and click the bell icon for future videos.